Hi there, my name is Sam and I'm a homebody at heart. I like sharing all the hobbies I like doing from the comfort of my own home, like baking, gardening, and home decorating. And today, since we're in the fall season, I'm going to be using some fall-inspired cake molds to make some cake bites. So these are nice treats to share with people for the holidays. Let's go ahead and put these together. To get started, we're going to need our cake mixture. I just use simple box mix. I have this spice cake mix, so that should be nice for the holiday season. So I'm going to just be scooping it up and using my chosen frosting. So I feel like cream cheese and spice cake can go pretty well together. I'm just going to start with half of the cake for now. I just followed the directions on the box. I'm going to mash this up until it's crumb consistency and then add in the frosting until it is a nice Play-Doh-like consistency that I can mold. Now that we've got our cake at the consistency we want, I'm going to just set it aside, move things out of my way, and then I am going to start filling my little shells here. Okay, so I have orange candy melt to make these pumpkin-shaped cake bites. So what I'm going to do is pour some in here, and we're just going to want to make sure we have enough to coat the entire shell. This is just my method. You don't have to do it exactly like that. If you want to dollop a whole bunch in here and then flip it upside down, by all means, go ahead and do it. I just like making sure every nook and cranny gets filled. I'm going to swap out colors and get a different mold going here. So I'm going to try yellow for these leaves. Now that these shells are nice and set, I'm going to actually fill it with my cake mix. We're filled, we're going to go ahead and just top it with more of our chocolate. cake bites here with our spice cake and cream cheese frosting.